Dear Chartered Accountants, working professionals, and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting, and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of FCA Deepak Rao, a practicing Chartered Accountant.
Daily news and updates for 11th November 2023. The Office of C&AG has been giving cognizance to location of the head office as well as branch offices of the firms for the purpose of allotment of audits of government companies and its units located at various locations. It has been informed by the Office of C&AG that from the empanelment year 24-25, while considering the firm LLP for allotment of audit on the basis of location of its branch office, only those branch offices will be considered where at least 50% of the full-time partners or 2 full-time partners, whichever is less of the firm, are stationed. The GST Council, in its 52nd meeting, recommended granting amnesty to taxpayers who couldn't file an appeal under Section 107 of the CGST Act 2017 against the demand order under Section 73 or 74 of the CGST Act 2017 passed on or before March 31, 2023, or whose appeal against the said order was rejected due to not being filed within the specified time frame in subsection 1 of Section 107. Taxpayers can now file appeal in Form GST APL01 on the GST portal on or before January 31, 2024 for the order passed by proper officer on or before March 31, 2023. It is further advised that the taxpayers should make payments for entertaining the appeal by the appellate officer as per the provisions of Notification number 53/2023. The GST portal allows taxpayers to choose the mode of payment, electronic credit or cash ledger, and it's the responsibility of the taxpayer to select the appropriate ledgers and make the correct payments. Further, the Office of the Appellate Authority shall check the correctness of the payment before entertaining the appeal, and any appeal filed without proper payment may be dealt with as per the legal provisions. ITeS companies, which with their huge workforces are amongst the biggest spenders on Diwali gifts, have slashed their gift budgets by up to 50%, and some have done away with the gifting altogether. India's manufacturing giants in sectors such as automobile, engineering, steel, consumer goods and energy are hiring aggressively, with many increasing their intake by 15 to 30% from the class of 2024 to fuel their ambitious expansion plans. This is in stark contrast to one of the toughest placement seasons in recent memory faced by students at the country's top B schools and engineering institutes, as the technology sector, the biggest recruiter of white-collar talent, has cut fresher hiring amid macroeconomic uncertainty. Tata Steel, Maruti Suzuki, Larsen & Toubro, JSW Group, Dabur, Vedanta, Schneider and RPG, among others, are boosting their entry-level pool with young tech-savvy talent who have a strong understanding of new-age consumers. Future Retail confirmed the insolvency professionals' move to initiate the liquidation process. The application for liquidation under Section 33 of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016 was filed with the National Company Law Tribunal, Mumbai bench on November 9th. Demand for gold in the country increased about 7.7% by volume to an estimated 42 tons and 10% by value to Rs 22,000 crore, according to the India Bullion and Jewellers Association. Gold prices fell about Rs 1,500 per 10 gram in 2 days to Rs 60,400 per gram on Friday, helping drive sales.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.